if vector a, vector b, vector c are three vectors such that vector a plus vector b plus vector c equal to 0 vector, then prove that a cross b equal to b cross c equal to c cross a. We have vector a plus vector b plus vector c equal to 0 vector, that imply a cross a plus b plus c equal to a cross 0 vector, taking cross product on left with the vector a, that imply a cross a plus a cross b plus a cross c equal to 0 vector, 0 vector plus a cross b minus c cross a equal to 0 vector. Since a cross a equal to 0 and a cross c equal to minus of c cross a, that imply a cross b equal to c cross a. Equation number 1. Again, a vector plus b vector plus c vector equal to 0 vector, that implies b cross a plus b plus c equal to b cross 0, taking cross product on left with vector b, that imply b cross a plus b cross b plus b cross c equal to 0 vector, that imply minus of a cross b plus 0 vector plus b cross c equal to 0 vector. Since b cross a equal to minus of a cross b and b cross b equal to 0 vector, that imply a cross b equal to b cross c. Second, from 1 and 2, we get a cross b equal to b cross c equal to c cross a.